Good afternoon. Today is April 19, 2024 Friday, and here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SL Store 3 p.m. draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for April 19, 2024 Friday. Here are the SL Store 3 p.m. draw result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for Friday, April 19, 2024. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for April 19, 2024 Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.